Hi guys! Today I'm going to be showing Tani the creamy chicken poblano pasta with my secret ingredient, Philadelphia cream cheese.
I'm excited to learn from Brenda and cook for my sister because I don't think she realizes how much of a positive impact she has around the people that surround her.
So Tani, are you ready?
Born ready, girl.
So first we're gonna start out by roasting these poblano peppers, some serranos.
Let's make it spicy.
If you're mad at your sister, add an extra chile.
Oh, you know what?
We also have garlic, onion, some chicken bouillon. So the first step is we're gonna roast the peppers, blend these beautiful ingredients together, and finally, my secret ingredient, Philadelphia cream cheese. This will balance out that heat a little bit and give you the creamy richness for the pasta sauce. Que estar esto en tres, dale.
Sharing food, it's like an intimate moment where you're bonding with those you love.
Cooking is like time travel. Relive the happy moments I had as a kid. Look
Que
at that.
delicia. That smells so good and it looks so good. Okay.
Before we dig in, thank you for cooking with me. I hope that your sister likes this.
I think she will definitely appreciate this. So let's try it.
All right,
Thank you.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Don't be shy. Yeah, she's dancing. That means she likes it. My favorite thing about Philadelphia cream cheese is that it makes everything creamier, especially this poblano pasta sauce.
I cannot wait to make it for my sister.